doing? So we're doing a video camera inspection for a customer here that wanted a second opinion. They had another plumbing company come out here. They gave them a big expensive quote for about 23 grand to replace their sewer. They wanted to get verification. They found us online. They saw how detailed we are with these cameras. So I'm going to show you the difference between somebody's camera inspection and our camera assessment. So if you follow us over here, we trace everything out going all the way to the city. Come to discover that the city line was lined, and because they've been having problems and they've been calling plumbers to snake it out, that the liner in here is starting to get peeled and creating issues. When the other plumber came over here, they told them that the problem was right here. They wanted to tear everything up and come in a straight line, which is smart. The straighter, the better. But they didn't trace it out. So when we came up to this point, all in their entire property, really no issue. They have some buildup, which you can easily get descaled and cleaned. Doesn't necessarily mean it's time to replace your pipes. It's going to save you some money in there, save your yard. Number two, you call the city to take care of their problem before your problem. So if you're having backups in here, for somebody to sell your replacement here, plumber can't touch on this side, city's got to fix their own problem. You pay them the 23 grand that they were quoted to fix this, and if this is still causing an issue, this 23 grand didn't solve the problem over here that the city would have came and fixed their problem. That would have been free on the customer. So come on, follow us. So this is what happens when you have the right equipment, locate the pipes, your proper assessment, do your due diligence. Pipe continues to come up this way, has a turn here, 45 to another turn over here, travels this way underneath this tree, comes all the way towards the front, and then 45 to that clean out. So if we were going to replace it, what we would do to help the customer out, 45 inches to the rocks, pull the rocks aside, continue coming in here, pull up your pavers, and 45 on your grass. Don't have to touch the asphalt, don't have to rip it up. It's going to be a lot less than 23 grand. So before you spend that big chunk, make sure you get the proper camera assessment. Give us a shot, give us a call. You won't be disappointed. A camera inspection, and so now right here on the camera, so you can start seeing now the pipe. It's cast iron. It's a little rough. You can see the water line right here. This white stuff. You can see that the bottom is flat. Right there, we go in there. That's not a belly. You just got a lot of buildup, and you got to turn. So as you continue to go through, shows that it's holding water. It's a duplex. Somebody is running some water right here. Makes it a little bit more difficult. But we already flushed the system just by running a hose. Ran our camera through here. So again, this is flat. Needs a good descaling or milling. I wouldn't really recommend jetting. Straight cast iron, it's not going to do as an effective job. Good to clean it, but it's not going to get you back to your original diameter. Right here you can see how it drops in. Just pull it back, let the water clear up a little bit. You can see there's a little channel in here. You still have bottom to your pipe. You're not, a lot of plumbers will sell that you got channel rot right here. You can see that you got buildup. This is the difference between hiring an honest company that provides value for their customers than somebody out here that's being told we need to sell, hit quotas, we need certain margins. That's not what we do at Bob Smith Plumbing. So we're going to come to the fun part pretty soon, where the city did some liner going up to the property line. They didn't do the greatest of job cleaning it, or whoever they contracted to do. We are in a belly right now, but we are on the city side. Look at that. Look at this bottom right there. That's a bad inflation. As we continue to pull through this branch, see, look at that. Right there, either it folded or snaking from the plumbers is starting to peel it, and that will cause problems. That's one of the issues with using liner If it's not properly cleaned and installed right, and if you have somebody snake it out afterwards, you could be having a world of problems. Now we're all the way into the city side. We're coming back, but you can still continue to see that liner. It makes a big difference when you actually buy professional grade, industrial grade tools, diagnostics equipment, to be able to provide the value that the property owner is going to pay. Just because I know a guy and you're getting a nice cheap price and it's a camera, it's not the same thing. At a bare minimum, I recommend that this customer get a D-scale, clean out their lines, continue to monitor how everything's flushing, and then revisit. See the toilet paper that catches on the jagged edges? That's why maintenance on cast iron is crucial. I know sometimes with no problems that sleeping dogs lie, but there is maintenance to the system.